Good morning all of you and welcome to our channel Science Made Easy. In the last video we have completed the point diffusion. Today we are going to move further with the topic osmosis. Okay? So what is osmosis? Osmosis is a special type of diffusion of solvent, that is water, through a semi-permeable membrane. Okay? Osmosis is a diffusion, that is transportation of a water from a semi-permeable membrane. So what is semi-permeable membrane? Semi-permeable membrane is a membrane which allows the passage of some selected particles. Okay, it allows the passage of only water through it and not any other solvent or solutions. So this process is called as osmosis. It is a process by which water enters into the cytoplasm of the root cells, that is epiblema cell. Okay, the water enters through osmosis into the cytoplasm of a cell. Cytoplasm of root hair cell contains minerals, sugars, etc. That is, concentration inside the root cells is higher than the concentration of in the soil water. Okay, it moves, osmosis takes place from lower concentration to the higher concentration, that is, the concentration outside the root cell in the soil is lower than the concentration into the cell of the root hair. Okay, this migration of solvent is called as osmosis. This overall process is called as osmosis. Thus, water at the interface of cell wall and plasma membrane enters into the cytoplasm of root hair cell due to osmosis. So, the process by which water enters from the surrounding, that is soil, inside the cell is called as osmosis. With respect to the concentration and osmotic migration, solutions are of three types. So now we are going to study the solutions. The types of solutions, that are hypotonic, hypertonic and isotonic. The first one is hypotonic. Hypotonic, weak solution or strong solution or solvent. Okay, it is a weak solution or strong solvent having low osmotic concentration. So the solution which is having low osmotic concentration is called as hypotonic. Remember, hypo means lower. Okay, so the solution having low osmotic concentration is called as hypotonic solution. Next one is hypertonic. Hyper means extra, high, more. So strong solution or weak solvent having low osmotic concentration. No, it is of the hypotonic. So what is hypertonic? Strong solution or weak solvent having high osmotic concentration. The meaning of hyper is high, so high concentration, remember it. Next one is isotonic. Concentration outside and inside the cell is same. Okay, iso means same, you know, isobaric, isothermal. So what is meant by iso means same. Concentration outside and inside the cell is same. Having such a concentration of solution where there is neither gain or neither loss of water in an osmotic system, it means that the system has reached its equilibrium. At that time the solution is isotonic. Okay, now there are basically two types of osmosis, that are exosmosis and endosmosis. Now we will study exosmosis. The entry of water molecules into the plant cell when kept in hypotonic solution is called flaccidity of the cell. It causes flaccidity, means turgidity of the cell. If we put our root hair cell, okay, where in hypotonic solution, what is hypotonic solution? Into a low osmotic concentration, it means in the exosmosis particles are given out of the cell, so it moves from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, and in endosmosis, the loss of water molecules out of the plant cells when kept in hypertonic solution, it causes the turgidity of cells. Cytoplasm becomes turgid. See, flaccidity and turgidity are two opposite words, so remember the difference between them. Okay, students, So we have completed our chapter by covering all the points which are not reduced by the government. So we are not going to take other points. So in order to complete your syllabus as soon as possible. So the next chapter we are going to start is the next topic, seventh number, that is plant growth and regulator chapter. Okay, so bye till that.